Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to studio for the let's recommend share of this video because it's amazing. Bro, today I have a new ROM for your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and S9 and also Note 9. The link in the description. You can download on install on your device. Are you ready? Okay, stay ready. As you can see, this is Android 12 ROM. Yes, I installed this few days ago. Now I have a new update. This update is coming to make the update of this version. You can see Noble ROM 2.6.1. This is not a joke. I'm ready to do this and show you how it look like. You can see here Android security patch level August 1st 2022. I don't know what new on this new update, but I'm ready to install this with you. Okay, this is One UI 4.1. So let's go. As you can see, this is how my phone look like. I install all of my applications, all applications that I use every day, everything. Okay, cool. This is how it look like. Dolby Atmos here, everything here, and cool. Now I have downloaded this ROM and copy this ROM directly in my internal storage. Okay, I charge my phone 88%. It's good. I have always installed TWRP. Now I can turn off my phone and go for the installation review. Already? Okay. Don't forget to look share. Okay. If you install TWRP on your phone, now you are ready. Hold free touch, PC button, volume up, and power button in the same time. PC button, volume up, power button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what? This is what you need to install before doing this. TWRP. Okay, as you can see, this is my version. Now, click on install. I'll copy this file directly in my internal storage. As you can see, this is the old file here, and this is a brand new. No, this is the old file here, 2.6.1. This is a brand new file under 2.6.2. Okay, now let's click on this. As you can see, the name of this file is here. Now, do this. When you come here, you can read everything before installing this ROM. Okay, you can see more information about the ROM, and you can see this ROM still August 2022 update. Okay, I think that this is just a little update. You can see change log here, reverted back to One UI 4.1 application to get more stability. This is only what we see on this ROM. In the previous version, we have all of this new update. Okay, I think that this is just a little update, not a great update. Okay, let's do this. Okay, no, they blocked it for me. Next again, choose what you want to enable. I want to enable call blocking and call recorder. Cool. Next, choose how to use Bixby button. Take screenshot is important for me. Now next, and you have a possibility to choose what you want here. Okay, read by yourself. Noble ROM, put animation, not bad. iOS 15 emojis and go. This is the installation review right now. Can you see this? This is the setup. This is how it look like. Okay, you can see on the process installing. Yes. Okay, you can see the speed is cool. Wait a few minutes for finishing. Don't forget to click the show. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Cool. Almost finished. Well done. Now it's good. Click on next. Go. Boot system. And wait a few minutes. Well done. As you can see, fillet appear, reboot animation also, the selection process definitely started. Wait a few minutes for finishing. As you can see, this phone still good even in 2022. Look at that. Can you see this? Power jack here. USB Type-C, something that they are not in the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Can you see this? 6GB of RAM also for this phone. This is crazy. This is so beautiful. I love it. Can you see this? And cool. The only thing that we are not here is what? A S Pen. Yeah. No Samsung S Pen here. Yes. But this phone is still a great phone. The only problem Samsung devices has is the problem with screen burning. I don't like it honestly. You can watch a video that I make to show you screen burning of this phone. Now we go. Welcome. Do you want to see screen burning right now? Look at that. There are different zone color here, different color in the both screen, in the same screen. This is curious. I don't know what is this. Now you can choose your language. Are you ready for that? Okay. And configure your device. Let me do this and show you everything after. Okay. Nice. English United States. Contact. And now I can go. Let me do this right now. What is this, bro? You're all set up. Seriously? Yes. Now, let's see. Welcome. This update is for more stability, just for more stability. Okay, no problem. No problem. As you can see, this is a brand new update. Brand new ROM. Cool. I need to configure everything. Yes. Are you ready for that? 108 4.1 Android 12. Okay. Nice. You can see Noble ROM 2.6.2. Android security patch level is still August 1st, 2022. Okay, this is good. Now, let's go for the test review of the next video. This video will appear here right now. Get ready for that. Okay? Thanks for watching. God bless you. What? Look at what? Do you believe it? Ha!